Okay, now, so this particular conversation has multiple folds. So the first is about the career and the COVID-19 and everything. मतलब ये हो नहीं सकता कि हम दोनों बात कर रहे हो और हम कुछ ऐसे लोगों की बात ना करें जो हमारे साथ थे और जिनके साथ हमने काम किया. तो सबसे पहले मैं जैसे हम अपने सीनियर्स की अगर बात करते हैं, जब मैं अपने जनरेशन वाले होटेलियर्स की बात करता हूँ जो मेरे साथ के थे और अभी हम लोग जो हैं, जब भी हम अपने सीनियर्स की बात करते हैं तो उनमें जैसे अंबर मजुमदार, नीरज चंडोग, मिस्टर गौरव सूरी, मिस्टर टिंकू सिंह, मिस्टर संजीव पूनिया, मिस्टर श्रीकांत दिहानी, आई कैन गो एंड ऑन, आई कैन टेक मेनी मेनी नेम्स.
Apart from me, all are legends. तो मुझे इन नामों के साथ please don't take my name. They are all my, as I say that Intercontinental Park Royal was my university. होटल मैनेजमेंट पास करके मैं यूनिवर्सिटी में आया.
मेरा सवाल आ रहा आपके लिए आ रहा मेरा सवाल.
पूछो बिल्कुल और दिल से जवाब दूं.
जी जी जी. तो जैसे हम लोग आप लोगों के नाम लेते हैं, अगर मैं कहूँ आपको यही सेम फॉर्मेट पे मैं आपको पूछूं कि अगर जैसे हमने आप लोगों को देख करके काम सीखा है, आप उस होटल में किन लोगों को अपना गुरु या अपना मेंटोर मानते हो जिनके साथ आपने काम करना शुरू किया था?
बहुत बहुत मतलब गंगा, इट्स नॉर्मली तो तुम लोग को द नेम्स दैट यू आर टेकिंग आर ऑल सीनियर्स. इन माय केस आई हैव लर्न सो मच फ्रॉम माय सीनियर्स, माय कोलीग्स एंड माय जूनियर्स आल्सो, you know. So of course we are here to discuss about that, I guess. So we'll start off with Tinku Singh. Mr. Tinku Singh, who used to be my first Bloom's manager, and it was a wonderful time to observe. I observed a lot, and I learned a lot from him. And it was difficult because he had 7 captains at that point of time. And he had an assistant manager. He had 2 or 3 hostesses, right? So plus the entire team, and it's not easy for him. And the thing which I learned from him is that he knew exactly who would be able to give him what. He will not ask me to do what Prabhat will. He will ask Prabhat to do. He will not ask me to do what maybe somebody else will do, and he was excellent. And there is so much I learned, and he has showered me with love, affection. He has taught me a lot. I don't know why or why I was chosen by him to I think he has taught me a lot. And it's like a father having so many children, then why would he focus on me? But I always feel privileged that Mr. Tinku Singh spent so much of time with me just to make me learn, master my skills, improve my skills. So एक तो ये. दूसरा एक कोलीग का नाम लूँगा, नवीन कश्यप. I don't know whether you.
Yeah, I know him. I met him. I think when he was back from cruise line. Okay. He went to cruise line, right?
Yeah, right.
उनके पेरेंट्स के साथ बार वो यूसी में डिनर के लिए आए थे, तो I met him there.
Okay. Naveen has been a great influence to me. मुझे अभी भी याद है. I remember I had no clue how to make SOPs, which I have mastered the art now. But Naveen taught me how to make SOPs, and he taught me many other things. And it was a fantastic team. Devender Walia, Sanjeev Gupta, Naveen Kashyap, then Shrikant Dhyani. Oh, big influence. At one point of time, I only wanted to be like Shrikant Dhyani. The good, I don't know, the unique thing about Shrikant Dhyani is that what I remember is that in his head, he had absolutely clear what is right, what is wrong. And there was at work, there's no gray areas. And he would, pursue the right. Whatever is in his head is right. He would pursue that with 100% commitment. There is so much to learn. Mr. Sanjeev Punia, unfortunately I have not worked with Mr. Sanjeev Punia, but I remember Mr. Sanjeev Punia as a very approachable person. I have never worked with him, but he was always there to guide me, because those were the time when we were kids. I joined Park Royal when I was most probably 23, 24 years of age, and from bachelor to getting married, and they are. I remember Mr. Punia as a life teacher. He would not only talk about work, he had solutions
Everything.
for everything, outside work and so much. I was privileged to work under Mr. Thakral. Mr. Thakral, in fact, Mr. Thakral was one person from whom I thought that you can still be successful even by being a great human being. And me, I am an outsider. Was an outsider to Delhi, and somewhere this base, being in there, going to Delhi is a shock. It's a culture shock for people who are moving from the east, and this feeling that good human beings can be successful. Before meeting Mr. Thakral, I had seen cracks coming into this philosophy. But once I met Mr. Thakral, and it's such a pleasure. I met Mr. Thakral again in Bangkok last year. Not only last year, last year and last year. And amazing. He was very kind enough to give me some time during breakfast. I in fact was staying in his hotel. The hotel he was managing. And
so he was in Malaysia. I'm sorry, he was in Malaysia, right? Or still in Malaysia?
If I remember rightly, he was in Singapore. From Singapore, he moved to South Korea because he moved to South Korea because I think there was a Winter Olympics, and it was a special assignment. In fact, when I interacted with him, he said, "Amber, that's one of the biggest challenges of my life," and it fills us with so much of proud that a boss with whom we have worked has managed a only 5-star hotel in that location. I don't remember the place, and he did it so well. You feel so proud and privileged that I have worked, or we have as a team worked under the greats of the industry. Then Mr. Suri, Mr. Gaurav Suri.
Gaurav Suri, yes.
Mr. Gaurav Suri is a brilliant human being.
He used to like you a lot. He used to love you a lot.
Ganga, this is something that
I'm sorry if I'm using this term right here, this statement here. वो कहते ना हर एक मैनेजर का एक ब्लू आई बॉय होता है, तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता था कि आप थे उनके लिए.
लेकिन मुझे हाँ, ये परसेप्शन तो था उस टाइम पे, सब बोलते थे, बट I had a very fantastic, transparent relationship. I could say anything to him, and he would. There has been occasions he has shouted me and thrown me out of his office. We used to disagree, but it was that trust. That whatever I am committed, it's really. I have never had a boss with whom I could talk and share but it's all work, nothing else apart from work. That with whom I could share my feelings or my opinions so freely, and more often than not, he will not accept what I am suggesting. So, but I think Mr. Gaurav Suri के साथ ना मेरा थोड़ा सा अभी भी pending है. Somehow I feel, मतलब ये मैं दिल से बोल रहा हूँ कि या तो कुछ गुरु दक्षिणा देना बाकी है, or I feel that somewhere along, we all are in our own journeys, but somewhere before it all ends, we'll meet again but that Mr. Gaurav Suri is actually, you are right, the man who had so much of trust in me. I had never had any other boss who had trusted me so much, and it was a great 2.5 years together.
I mean, I must say, and I must disclose this particular thing, that Mr. Suri had a open door policy. I mean, लोग कहते हैं कि मेरी open door policy, anybody can walk into my office and talk to me anything, लेकिन करते बहुत कम है. और मिस्टर सूरी एक ऐसे इंसान थे, एक ऐसे मैनेजर थे, एक ऐसे बॉस थे, आई वुड से, कि चाहे वो मैनेजर लेवल हो, चाहे वो एक्सी लेवल हो, सुपरवाइजर लेवल हो या एसोसिएट लेवल हो, anybody can walk into his office with anything कि सर ये इशू है या ये चीज है, ऐसा बात करना था, and he will entertain. He will entertain everybody.
I seriously, you are absolutely right, Ganga, and I seriously think that in those times it was unheard of, you know, unbelievable working atmosphere it created, that everybody was open to, yes, many people were not happy with it, right? Some of my very close colleagues, right, they did not have a good time with him, maybe, but but when I see the overall working style of Mr. Suri, it was amazing at that point of time, and I hope that yes, I am trying my level best to follow the same, and I hope that all of us who have worked with him will be, because then working becomes so much of fun.
In our, if we feel that we are successful or whatever we have achieved so far in our life, there are multiple people that we normally give credit, right? There are multiple people. और होता क्या है जनरली जिस स्टेट में हम होते हैं हम उस स्टेट के लोगों को ज्यादा क्रेडिट देते हैं क्योंकि हमने उनसे डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट में रहकर के काफी चीजें सीखी होती है. But there are multiple other people in supporting areas, supporting departments. They really helped us a lot. In some ways and many ways कि जो हम उनसे सपोर्ट लेकर के या उनसे सीख करके हम लोग आगे अपने आप को बढ़ते हैं. So I will ask you few names here. I want you to take few names here. चाहे वो किचन डिपार्टमेंट से आते हो, चाहे वो किचन स्टूडिंग से आते हो या वो फ्रंट ऑफिस से आते हो, एनीबडी एंड एवरीबडी जो इंटरकॉम के टाइम पे थे उस समय और जिनके साथ आपने काम किया.
फ्रंट ऑफिस में तो I can remember Manish Marwa, it's very senior personality, and again, I feel blessed that they spent so much of time with us while doing night shift, and they will generally talk, and Ranjan is my batchmate, and we are still in touch, not only for batchmates, friends, but family friends. I know his family very well. So Ranjan, then there was another senior, Aman Ratra.
Yes, Aman Ratra.
No, not senior. Senior in terms of because he was already a duty manager when I was a captain. But I think we are of the same batch or same age. He was a great personality. Mr. Chandy, I remember.
Mr. Chandy, correct.
Mr. Chandy. And these are all personalities, They used to take care of the. They were not only duty manager or lobby manager. They would protect us, advise us, suggest, give suggestions that do this way. Security, Mr. Dabas, Kamal, fantastic. Mr.
Bhardwaj, correct.
Sub great personalities, and actually we have learned so much from them. Chefs. I need to share this. You must know Chef Oswald, right?
Yes.
He is now a general manager, right?
He interviewed me. I was in Hilton Sake when I was heading F&B as AF&B. So he interviewed me for Bangalore. So he was kind of a cluster manager for some of the properties in India for IHG. So he interviewed me for Bangalore, but he also gave me option of Amritsar and Pune. So and मैं क्योंकि apprentice था उस टाइम पे तो उनको शायद मैं याद नहीं था. मैंने उनको याद दिलाया कि I worked under you when you were a chef, sous chef in coffee shop. मैं रूम सर्विस में होता था तो उनको याद आया थोड़ा बहुत शायद मेरे ख्याल से. But this is how I got connected with him again.
Ganga, this is amazing. Huh? That when we were working in Intercom, I did not know of a chef who was a great general manager. Right? Today, we have Chef Oswald. For me, he would be who bolte na, silent savior. He was that. We have Chef Keswani. Right? Both has become almost. I don't know, but I know that they are. I don't know their exact designation. As you said, Chef Oswald has become cluster GM maybe, but.
Mr. Keshwani is also like cluster GM for Fortune. The Starwood property.
So this is what I say that when somebody walks into a kitchen today, right? In our times, being executive chef was most probably the end of his dream. Now when somebody walks in to Intercontinental, he would come across these names who have become so big. So so the barriers. They say sky is the limit. I say limitless. Think limitless. So I remember with Mr. Oswal. So what would happen is that it used to give me a lot of stress, but at that point of time that I do morning shift and I am the only captain in Blooms, and there would only be 3-4. This staff crisis happens and we are running short of staff. And Mr. Oswal would walk in, give one look, and he would know that how many of us working, and then he will come to me quietly say that I am taking care of the buffet, don't worry. And he will take care of everything for the breakfast, for the food part, right? So this people has been, they are, for me, they are inspiration. If I can achieve even 10% what they have done. Similarly, Chef Keswani. When Chef Keswani walked into Intercon, our buffet standards had really gone down. We ourselves knew. And the way he picked it up, his commitment, I had so much of fun working with him. I still remember, that lobster tank in Empress of China. It was all his brainchild. Chef Kapoor, class act. If I meet Chef Kapoor, the first thing I'll do is that give him a salute. Super personalities. Chef Raghu Chef अपना. Actually Raghu Chef जब Hyatt से आए थे ना, I was already working. So Raghu Chef का वो हुआ था, introduction हुआ था हमें कि he is a chef who can take care of guests. मैंने कभी सुना ही नहीं था यार. He is chef और guest interaction. शेफ रघु तो आधे टाइम हमारे साथ ही काम करते थे रेस्टोरेंट में. मतलब बट टुडे यू थिंक, आज के डेट में आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग टू हुआइन एंड आई वेंट टू ए रेस्टोरेंट व्हिच इज रन बाय ए शेफ एंड द शेफ वाज ऑल ओवर द रेस्टोरेंट एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग दैट शेफ रघु तो यही करते थे. So we have this habit of undervaluing the places that we have worked. But I again and again I say that I've been blessed and very fortunate to work with all these personalities, characters. It doesn't matter what they are doing now, where they are. As long as they are healthy and safe, I am happy. But the amount of learning I had from all these people, unimaginable. I'm always grateful to them.
I'll take another name here. And that person, I've recently interviewed him on the same channel, one of my dear friends, Mr. Ramesh Singh Bhandari. So when I asked, there was a section when I was taking few names and he had to define them. So when I took your name, he said, I remember very distinctly, he said कि मैं उनके जैसा मैनेजर बनना चाहता था. When I said Ambay Majumdar, he said कि मैं उनके जैसा मैनेजर, मुझे लगता था कि जब भी मैं मैनेजर बनूंगा तो उनके जैसा मैनेजर बनूंगा. So for you, he has this kind of feeling and this kind of respect, this kind of emotions.
मैं honestly बता रहा हूँ, my assessment of Ramesh, what I have seen is that again वो अपना target and bar ना थोड़ा high set करना चाहिए. He can become a better manager, better personality than me, because the kind of hard work this boy can put in and the kind of attitude he has. I've worked with him for a very long time and in a very, very difficult phase where I used to do in coffee shop, there was nobody. I used to do 8 to 8 morning as a manager, and Ramesh would come as a captain and he will do 8 to 8. No gaps, no breaks, no nothing, right? Now, manager होके मैं सोच रहा हूँ यार क्या हो रहा है, कुछ तो हेल्प चाहिए, ठीक है? And just imagine he is captain. और रात को जब 8 बजे वो आएगा हंसता हंसता, और सर सोए, मैं तो बहुत अच्छा सोया. So his attitude, this is, and Ramesh would do very well, and I'm sure he's doing well, and he should, I don't agree with him. I know it's a compliment. I am very thankful and grateful, and this is the love and respect that we have for each other. But people like Ramesh should not set his target so low.
ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
नहीं बिल्कुल. He mark my words. देख designation ये सब मुझे नहीं पता. Mark my words. मैं कुछ पर्सनालिटीज की नाम दे रहा हूँ बिकॉज आई वर्क विद देम, आई नो देयर पोटेंशियल. रमेश, मुकेश, हर्ष, समीर, गंगा, देवेंद्र सीनियर तो मुझे बोलने का कुछ नहीं है. ही इज ऑलरेडी रीच वेयर, you know, I believe he represents each one of us. To become general manager of that property, he represents all of us, and always my best wishes are with him.
Okay, I'm going to take one more name here.
Yes.
Okay, and that gentleman has played a major role impacting our life. तो मैं स्पेशली मैं अपनी बात करूंगा क्योंकि मुझे उनसे करियर के अलावा या प्रोफेशनल लाइफ के अलावा पर्सनल लाइफ में भी काफी कुछ सीखने को मिला है. और मैंने ऑफ लेट क्योंकि आई कीप अ ट्रैक ऑन सोशल मीडिया ऑफ डिफरेंट पीपल, तो मैंने आपके उसमें भी देखा और उनके उसमें भी देखा. सो रिसेंटली यू बोथ वर एसोसिएटेड फॉर some reason. So the name is Mr. Neeraj Chandak, and the kind of work that he is doing post his Patel life, he is into multiple things. So music एक उनका passion है. Right now he is into books. उनके दो जो बुक्स अभी पब्लिश हुए हैं उनमें से एक कस्टमर प्लस है और एक दूसरे का नाम मैं भूल रहा हूँ, बट
लीडरशिप प्लस.
हाँ जी, दूसरा हो जाएगा. और वो उसके अलावा ट्रेनिंग्स एंड ही इज इनटू यू नो कोचिंग एंड मेंटरिंग विद डिफरेंट कंपनीज एंड डिफरेंट एसोसिएशन. तो रिसेंटली आपके साथ भी एसोसिएट हुए थे, मैंने देखा था, एंड ही वाज देयर इन योर प्रॉपर्टी. So tell me more about this.
Okay, Mr. Chandok and I go a long way, right? Mr. Chandok, before becoming assistant F&B, he was the food and beverage controller. I forgot his designation. I'm sorry. Yeah. So when we were in lounge and bar, Mr. Chandok, I always used to find him who thinks out of the box. Always. And he would say things which would not make sense that point of time, and you know, you'd not agree, but after 6 months you'll think, Mr. Chandok bole the. He is that kind of a personality. I'm sure that each one of us have gone through that phase.
True.
So one day he told me that, would you like to do a promotion in lounge and bar? And that was the beginning. He used to get fantastic brands, and thanks to our team and also Mrs. Avanegi. She would market the whole event, and we would do wonderfully well. Normally these promotions would last for 15 days. So it was like it became an annual event. He will start from January till December, and all thanks to Mr. Chandok. I'll push Mr. Chandok. Mr. Chandok will go all out to get all these brands. It was fantastic. And then Mr. Chandok became assistant food and beverage, but his focus was more with banquets. बट उस टाइम पे भी वो आके बोलते थे मुझे कंप्यूटर थोड़ा कर ले. मैम, आई एम फ्लाइंग. यस्टरडेज रेवेन्यू वाज 1,80,000 and this man is coming and saying थोड़ा कंप्यूटर कर ले. So that way. Then the other thing about Mr. Chandok is he's very clear, you know, that what he wants to do, which is very unique in because the setup where we were born with. It is like your purpose of life is your profession. There is nothing else. Once I have come out of India, I have realized how wrong it is. You know, but Mr. Chandok, full credit to him that he still follows his passions. So he used to give update on Facebook on tennis. He used to play tennis, badminton, and yeah. I also love sports. So that's how we stayed connected. And then he. Once he got in touch with me and he said that he wants to do a holiday in Phuket and he wanted hotel recommendations and all that. So I said, you come and stay with us. Okay. And it would be great to connect. So that's when I connected. Although he was there for 4 or 5 days or 7 days, I took one day off on my off day, and we planned, and I took him out for a whole day. And that's where we connected again. And I found, you know, the things which I believed at that point of time, I'm talking about 2017-18, and Mr. Chandok's views were all matching. Previously, it never used to match. So we were on the same line, you know. We were not running parallelly. It was great. So then I said that with your kind of huge knowledge, it would be great if you can come, and because okay, I've got a great team and I'm talking to them, I communicate, everything is great, but sometimes you need somebody from outside the system to come in
True.
and with the same vision, with the with the same vision, same passion, who talk. And I always felt that Mr. Chandok was one is he was very guest centric.
True.
I have never seen Mr. Chandok supporting us when we talk against the guest. So that is great. But he kindly agreed, and he came and he did a session for us. I think 4 consecutive days.
Wow. For the entire unit?
Mostly the leadership unit. See, we have 4 resorts, so we have 4 general managers, 4 assistant hotel managers, and then we have a central finance department. We have a group FC. We have a group director of sales and marketing. We have group ADOS. We have group revenue. So corporate team as well as the operation team, and the response was, it's like I'm willing to pay to get that kind of response from my team. It's a fact. I mean, everybody would come out.
So Chandok, I can easily imagine the level of energy he transformed to the other person.
Plus, he has poise, and he's a great listener, which I'm not. Unfortunately, I'm still learning. Sorry, Ganga, I must have interrupted you 100 times.
No, that's okay. That's okay. It's all about दिल से. तो जो आए वो यहाँ पे अगर ना निकले तो फिर इस conversation का वो importance नहीं रहता.
And then he told me that he's writing a book, so I got all very excited. And his books, we did a relaunch. We could not do the launch in Phuket, but we did a relaunch with my team, and it's very exciting. When my team, they see somebody whom I know who has written a book on Customer Plus, right? And I ensured that I think we bought a copy for each one of them, and here's the author, he's signing, and it's like inspiration. So I actually, it was a great association. And then during one conversation, I said, because this is my, this is my favorite topic. Why is Sourav Ganguly a great leader? Sachin Tendulkar is being the best cricketer ever. Why is he not a great captain? Why did Rahul Dravid, everybody says good about him, why did he have to quit his captaincy? And Anil Kumble, whom most probably we never thought or saw him as a great captain, now players comes in and says that, had Anil Kumble got a longer reign, Indian cricket would have been different. What makes Mahendra Singh Dhoni? But I'm using cricketing terms because I think Indians, because our audience will be mostly Indians. Yes. But to be very honest, I don't follow too much of management books or management talks. I follow football managers. Why did Klopp could get the English Premier League for Liverpool, which it has been missing for 30 years, and without making too many purchases. And why was Mourinho was so successful 10 years back, and he is now all talks and no trophies. So those things. So then we were discussing leadership over a cup of coffee during breakfast, and I said, sir, why don't you, because you have already done one. Writing one book is the most difficult. Writing your first book is the most difficult thing. You have already done it. Now what next? Why don't you take up leadership there? He said, okay. So I was not convinced whether he will do it or not. I thought that he was having breakfast in Chanalai, and I'm the CEO of the company. So how can he say no? So maybe out of he must have said, but he actually started working, and he told me later on that Amber, it is a topic which has taken a toll on him. Right? It's so much of there is no ending to leadership. But I'm glad that he has finished this book. And I'm so glad that I could connect with Mr. Chandok, and we talk often, and Mr. Chandok can sometimes be just a bouncing, he's a bouncing board. You can just share some ideas, and you can say, and I'm so glad. And that he always has some time for me, and
I'm really inspired by the fact that he's actually telling us, people like us, that there is no age to chase your passion. मतलब hotel छोड़ने के बाद में the kind of work that he is doing, and as you correctly mentioned, writing a book, following his passion for music, his sports. Very few people know that he's done some course on movie critics. So and he used to give us a lot of tips on movies. I still remember he was the one who actually inspired me to watch Swadesh. He said शाहरुख खान की मैं दो मूवी से बहुत इंस्पायर्ड हूँ, वो एक स्वदेश है और एक दूसरी चक दे. तो मैंने कहा सर मैंने स्वदेश नहीं देखी. एंड आई डिस्टिंक्टली रिमेंबर व्हाट ही सेड. मैं और समीर दोनों साथ में डिस्टेंस बार के बाहर खड़े थे. तो उन्होंने कहा कि अगर अपने देश से प्यार हो तो एक बार स्वदेश जरूर देखना. और मैंने उसी दिन डीवीडी खरीद के स्वदेश देखी थी. एंड आई रियलाइज कि उन्होंने क्यों कहा था. एंड उसके बाद उनके पास गया. मैंने बोला सर अमेजिंग मूवी एंड एक्चुअली गिव्स अस लॉट ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन और एक मैसेज देता है कि अपने देश के लिए भी कुछ करना चाहिए हर इंसान को. तो आई मीन his level of thinking, his level of
that is what I said, that he always thinks out of the box, and he makes sure that every interaction with him or whoever, right, he will ensure that the person he is interacting with, it is not that he forces. He's very subtle, but he has his way to make you think out of the box.